We're here today at Moeller Elementary celebrating our Diversity, Equity, and Inclusion Council. We're so privileged to be here and bring fitness out into the community away from the four walls of Lifetime. We taught them a lot today about breathing techniques and how to use their mind and body to control their feelings.
So thankful to be here, that Lifetime gives us an opportunity to come out into the community, that we can work with organizations like Driven that are so threaded in our community. Really, we just do these things because we love them and they hold such a special place to us. The chance that we get to share them with the kids, with different places outside of our four walls is such a gift.
Diversity and inclusion is pivotal for everyone to have a positive human experience. And I'm so thankful that Lifetime decided that they wanted to give an opportunity to a group of students and expose them to yoga, knowing that they probably haven't had that opportunity before in the past. To be able to see these kids laugh and giggle and try and attempt these random yoga poses that I know I couldn't do on my own is just a joy. And so I'm so grateful and so thankful that Lifetime decided to make it a priority to get outside of their four walls and to make a difference in the communities.